Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, November the 17th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles in the additional. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Not all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. And the Samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour to solve. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. The first one, 3 Star Sudoku number 9607. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can pick. How about 99? I need a 9 there. Yeah. In this big square we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9. In this big square we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have 9 in the second row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Same for here, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 9 could be here, or there. 9, okay. Well, so we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column. Only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this one, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. I need a 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left of the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the fifth column, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. Only place left of 5 should be there. 7. Need a 9 here, need a 7 there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only place left of 7 should be there. I need a 1 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left. The 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left. The 4 could be here or there. We see another 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. 1, need a 1 here. Then, let me see. How about 8, need 8 there. Need 6 here. Need 5 here. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next on that column. The only place level 5 should be here. 5 and 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle one, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit 3, number 5. Okay. 9. 9. Okay, now 1. Need a 6 here. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. 8. Need a 2. And I need a 6 here. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8. Need an 8 here or there. Let me think. Need a 1 here. 1. 1. In this row, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left 1 in this row should be there. 1, okay. 2 and 6. 2, 6. 2, 6 and 8. 8. 1. 6. 6. 1. Come on. Where's the opening? 8. No 8 here. 8. 8. Well, in this column, we need an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. We need an 8. This box came in 8. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. This box came in 8. We have an 8 in the last row. So no 8 there. So the 8 in this column could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 on the left. 2 and the 6. 2, 6 and the 1. 1. and 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 8. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoo-ba-dam. 1 in this first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1. Shoo-ba-dam. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1. Shoo-ba-dam. 1, 1. 1, 1. That means in this one, you need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing in the last row is the number 1. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. We see another 1 in that column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 in the last row. Should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 2, 9, 6. 2, 8, 7. 7 this column, 7 in the column next, no last column, the only place level 7. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 missing numbers are in the first row, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2, 6, 2, 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Here also 2 and 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 7 goes in there. 7, need a 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is 5. The 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Need a 6 there. That means the 6 should be in this column. We need a 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. So the only 2 places left 6 should be here or there in the middle column. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. The only place level 6 should be here then. So the 2 and the 9 are left. 2 and the 9. 7 and 8. 2 and the 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Here we have a pair. Here. Also 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 will be here. 2 goes there. Excuse me. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and 8. Need to wait. 1 box left. In this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now, so this box should be an 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above, so that row, the only place level 8. Should be there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, 7 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be in, 9 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well. Not of 0 stars. I'm not faster than 14, 30 minutes. But I'm faster than 20 to 30 minutes. So it's not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.